Charter Act of 1853. This was the last of the series of Charter Acts passed by the British Parliament between 1793 and 1853. It was a significant constitutional landmark. The features of this act were: 1. It separated for the first time the legislative and executive functions of the Governor-General's Council. It provided for addition of 6 new members called legislative councillors to the council. In other words, it established a separate Governor-General's Legislative Council, which came to be known as the Indian Legislative Council. This legislative wing of the council functioned as a mini parliament, adopting the same procedures as the British Parliament. Thus, legislation for the first time was treated as a special function of the government, requiring special machinery and special process. 2. It introduced an open competition system of selection and recruitment of civil servants. The convenanted civil service was thus thrown open to the Indians also. Accordingly, the Macaulay Committee was appointed in 1854. 3. It extended the company's rule and allowed it to retain the possession of Indian territories on trust for the British Crown, but it did not specify any particular period, unlike the previous charters. This was a clear indication that the company's rule could be terminated at any time the Parliament liked. 4. It introduced for the first time local representation in the Indian Legislative Council. Of the 6 new legislative members of the Governor-General's Council, 4 members were appointed by the local governments of Madras, Bombay, Bengal and Agra.